Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Lan, okay, and this is Lana.
I love reading and writing.
Yeah, Lana loves reading and writing. And today we're gonna learn letter
S.
sound, okay?
Yeah, this is lesson 1 only.
Okay, lesson 1 only, yes?
Wah, wah,
Yeah, W, you sound.
wah, 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 wah,
Yeah.
wah, wah.
Wah. And letter Y, you say.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well done, Lana. And letter Z, you sound.
Z, 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 z.
Yes. And how about letter H, you sound.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yes, well done, Lana. And how about the letter A, you sound. Ah. Good job, Lana. And how about letter B, you sound.
B, b, b.
Well done, Lana. How about letter C, you sound.
K, 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 k.
Yeah, k. And how about letter D?
It sounds d, d, d.
D.
Like d.
Yes. And how about letter E? You sound. Eh. And letter F?
It sounds
Well done, little girl. And how about letter I?
for I.
You sound
E.
E. And how about letter
J. J.
Oh, well done, Lana. How about letter K?
We sound k.
K. Well done,
Like a
Lana.
coffee cake.
Yes, but wait a little bit. How about letter L? Oh, that is a tricky one. And how about letter M? You sound. Well done, Lana. How about letter N?
We sound
Yes. How about letter?
p. Sound p.
Letter P, but you sound P. And
Letter
letter O, but you sound. Amazing girl, wonderful girl. How about letter R? You sound. Well done, Lana. How about letter? How can you sound it? Amazing little girl, Lana. How about letter T? You sound. Yeah, good girl, Lana. You look at the camera so everyone can see you. How about letter S? You sound.
Snake.
Good girl. And this one is tricky a bit. How about letter U? You sound.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh. Like up. Yeah.
Up, low.
And how about letter V? V, you sound. V.
Van.
Yeah, V for van, yes. How about tricky one? Letter X, you sound.
X.
Yes. And how about this? Letter W.
Wow.
Good little girl. How about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the last one. Maybe this one is last one. Well done. And the last one already.
It's her.
Now, thank you everyone. Practice every day. So, can make you feel better about the letter sound. When you know the letter sound, you can
Write it down and just write it in your own. We don't need mommy or just record this video and just
copy and follow. Is it right?
yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye
Bye everyone. See you
bye.
next time.
See you tomorrow.
Yes.